21 creative ways to boost your emergency fund. Welcome to BizBuzz Isriffah's world. The 52-week challenge. Pick an amount like $152 and deposit that amount corresponding to the week number week 1, $1, week 2, $2, etc. By week 52, you'll have a decent chunk saved. Spare change stash. Dedicate a jar or piggy bank for loose change. Every time you empty your pockets, toss it in. You'll be surprised how quickly it adds up. The no spend weekend challenge. Pick a weekend or a day with free activities like hiking or visiting friends. Avoid unnecessary spending and divert that saved amount to your emergency fund. The unsubscribe save trick. Audit your subscription streaming services, magazines, and unsubscribe from unused ones. Redirect those monthly fees to your emergency savings. Sell what you don't use. Organize a garage sale or use online platforms to declutter unused clothes, electronics, or furniture. Turn those items into emergency fund fuel. The cooking challenge caper. Challenge yourself to eat at home for a month with budget-friendly meals. The money saved from eating out goes straight to your emergency stash. The coffee break challenge. Skip that daily fancy coffee and opt for brewing at home. Those saved bucks can accumulate significantly over time. Embrace free entertainment. Look for free or low-cost alternatives to entertainment. Check out library events, free museum days, or park picnics. Every dollar saved goes towards peace of mind. The Rewards Roundup Rally. Many reward programs allow point redemption for cash. Cash in those points and add them to your emergency fund. The leftover lunchbox loop. Pack your lunch instead of buying it daily. Leftovers from dinner are perfect. Save money goes straight to your emergency savings. Become a frugal fashionista. Challenge yourself to a clothing swap with friends or shop at thrift stores. Update your wardrobe without breaking the bank and add the saved money to your emergency fund. The DIY Day Delight. Plan a do-it-yourself day for home projects or repairs. Instead of hiring someone, learn a new skill and save money for your emergency fund. The gas-free getaway. Plan a staycation or a local trip instead of a pricey vacation. Explore your city or nearby areas for budget-friendly adventures. Save money goes towards your emergency goals. Embrace the side hustle. Freelance some skills online, take up a weekend side hustle, or sell crafts. Extra income directly adds to your emergency fund. The billing audit blitz. Review your bills, cable, internet, phone, and negotiate better rates or find cheaper alternatives. Save money goes to your emergency fund. The price comparison power play. Before making a purchase, compare prices online and at different stores. Every saved dollar adds to your emergency fund security. The pantry powerhouse. Plan your meals around what you already have. Reduce impulse grocery purchases and use up existing ingredients. This saves money for your emergency fund. The movie night magic. Gather friends for a potluck movie night at home. Skip the expensive movie theater outing and enjoy a budget-friendly get-together. Save money goes to your emergency fund. The gift-giving guru. Offer to make personalized gifts for friends and family instead of buying them. It's a thoughtful gesture that saves you money for emergencies. The free fitness frenzy. Look for free workout options like park yoga classes or bodyweight exercises at home. Skip the gym membership fee and save money for emergencies. The rainy day reading rewards. Instead of buying new books, swap books with friends, borrow from the library, or participate in online book clubs. Save money goes to your emergency fund. Remember, consistency is key. Even small amounts can add up significantly over time. So get creative, have fun, and build that emergency fund for peace of mind.